body. Little body.
Cheat.
Little body. Little body.
You need batteries? We'll get you some.
You need a plate?
Yeah.
Sweet one?
Okay, guys, let's get open presents.
That's Daddy's.
This one. This is Daddy's.
Oh no, that one's yours, honey. You can open it.
Wait, who's it for, Mommy?
For Mommy and Daddy.
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver. What is that?
Screwdriver.
Screwdriver?
Oh boy.
Yay.
You okay?
Can I do it now?
What is that, Amelia?
Puzzle. Can I do it now? Hey.
Let's finish and open up all our presents, and then we can pick what we want to play with.
Derek? I like it. Derek! Hi, Derek! What is it?
Get this white little tiny present.
Oh my goodness.
The body. The body.
Derek!
No, a body. Has a hard body.
Amelia, do you need a Kleenex? You got your Elsa Kleenexes over there.
No, I don't.
What you got?
Oh, wait, Amelia. No, let's wait. It's Derek's turn now. If you do,
Derek, your turn.
Derek, it's your turn.
Hey, Dad. Here. Here, Dad.
You want to open another present?
Here, Dad. There.
Here you go, Derek.
Who's that?
You can play with it. Leave it there. Oh, you want to move it?
What
We'll move it there. There we go.
What that? My
You want it this way?
window. No. Hey. Just supposed to get my reindeer.
Here, bud. Show him his present.
Derek, look.
Elmo. Elmo now.
You will.